Here we have the Panasonic FZ82 camera. How to reset this to default settings. First of all, power it on, move that switch. It's, let's say, an intelligent auto. And after that, press the menu button in the middle and go to the wrench icon, the second wrench, this one, which does not have a C. So wrench, and go to the 5th page. Either go down or go directly up. Okay, and here we have reset. Reset drive mode and record setting except for face recognition and profile setup. Yes. Drive mode and okay. Reset your face recognition and profile settings. Yes. Reset setup custom settings. Yes. And that's it. Now the camera is back to its default settings.